वेलकम बैक टू एकेडमिकली। और आज आपके लिए एक और खुश खबर है। हमने एक हफ्ते पहले देखा था ईसीएस से दिल्ली की ओर से वैकेंसी आई थी, और अब साउथ इंडिया से ईसीएस से तेलंगाना से बहुत अच्छी वैकेंसी आई है। यहाँ पे हर किसी के लिए वैकेंसी है, कि ना हम डेडिकेटली बात करेंगे एमबीबीएस डॉक्टर के लिए वैकेंसी। तो सोनल, यू कैन कैरी ऑन।
Yeah, thank you so much. So, guys, you have a new vacancy coming up regarding the medical doctor. So, all the MBBS students sitting right in front of us, or you're from dentist academically, or you're from pharmacy, or from any other department, ECHS Andhra has brought up a good option and vacancy for you, and that's coming from Sikandrabad. So, we have this cutout of a newspaper which was uploaded. It's still going to come on the website. So, we'll talk about these. Dr. Pratik, how many vacancies do we have for medical officers?
Okay, if we look for the MBBS vacancy, there are 26 vacancy, and these are not mention of any reservation here. So I'm not sure about the reservation, but in total there is a 26 vacancy for the MBBS student, and salaries are really good. They are 75,000. I'm saying it is good because there is not so much workload, and duties are like really light and very for a short term. So it definitely for this salary, it is definitely a good position.
Yes. So guys, if you have done your MBBS, there's a job vacancy for you called medical officer job. You get a salary of 75K with vacancies around about 26. And what are the locations? You have Anantapur, Elluru, Gidaluru, Guntur, Kadapa, Khammam, Kurnool, Bahabugar, Nellore, Sikandrabad 1, 2, Vijayawada and Sanikpuri. Second, moving on to if you're an MD, MS in general medicine, you're going to get a salary of 1 lakh. The vacancy, there are 4 vacancies of medical specialists in Chittoor, Gidalur, Golconda and Sikandrabad 1. So let's talk about what are the criteria, how will you be selected for this particular post, and what are the instructions which you have to know while you are going to apply for this particular job. So talking about the terms and conditions and remuneration, sir, if you talk about ECHS, what kind of job is that?
Okay, so you have to look for the OPD only. Mostly the retired army officer in cantonment area. You look in their clinic and you look after the OPD. Mostly there is no emergency duty in most of the cases. So they are really like a very work of you have very little work, and you can study for an exam. And yeah, I want to mention that it is not a permanent job. It is a contractual job. So you are preparing for a PG or any other exam, you can take up this job and prepare alongwise.
So guys, now we'll talk about how do you apply for this. Since it is an ECHS job, you have to go to the website of www.echs.gov.in. From there, you can download an application form. So you don't have to apply online. You have to download that, okay? And the last date of receipt of application as per the given format, whatever has been given, is 5th October 2025. What other things you have to apply in the application form? It should be self-attested photocopies of testimonials for medical qualification, like talk about mark sheets, or talk about your degree, your work ex, your registration certificate, your discharge book and PPO will be submitted in officer in charge. Station, headquarter, ECHS cell, HQ, Tasa near Rashtrapati Nilayam, Sikandrabad. So there's a certain address, okay? You have to take the printout, fill the form, attach the self-attested photocopies of your original documents, of your mark sheet and your whatever other documents they have asked, and you have to send it over to this particular address, and it should reach over there by 5th October 6 p.m. That is the working hour. Guys, it is clearly mentioned online application will not be accepted. There will be a written test, come interview date, timing and venue. So date of written exam and all that will be intimated to you afterwards. But you need to mention over there that yes, you have your this degree, you've got registered, then you need to be a registered doctor, very important. Now what are the other original education certificate which you should bring towards your interview? You need to have your educational certificates, work ex, registration certificate, discharge book, PPO, service records, PAN card, Aadhaar card, 2 passport size photograph at the time of interview. So any candidate who is not bringing up all these documents will not be called for the interview, right? So please make sure that you follow all the norms. Go to echs.gov.in, download your application form and send it over by 5th October 6 p.m. to those people.
Yeah, here quite a change in the format. In most of the contractual job, there is a direct interview, but here you have a written exam also. It's quite strange, but what is it is, so you have to go for a written exam first, and then you can qualify for the interview. And it is also mentioned that if you are ex-army man or you served in the army, you will definitely get that benefit and priority over the other. So if you think you should apply for that, go to the website and check all the detail and send your document to the address. Best of luck and stay connected with us for the more such update. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and all the MBBS doctors out here, here's a good vacancy for you. Go check that out on echs.gov.in. Thank you.